Hello, hello, Sarah of SCK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you another tiny Tunisian tip. Quick tip for if you're changing colors from one solid section to another solid section, or even if you're doing large stripes within a Tunisian project and you're changing your color on the right edge of your project. What you want to do is you're going to work your return pass with your first color. So you're on your final row before the color change. You're going to work your return pass with the color that you're using for your first section here until you get to your final stitch. Whoops. Didn't quite make it through all my plies there. There we go. So I'm going to keep working until I get to 2 loops on my hook. So this one is my return pass and this one is my final stitch. Then I'm going to just drop my main color behind and I'm going to pick up my new color, and this is when I'm going to add it by yarning over and pulling through the last 2 loops, because this loop is actually the first stitch of my next row. You'll see if I start working just some simple stitch here, then you can see, oh, for goodness sakes, that this loop actually pulls up to the same height as my next row, and then you'll end up with a really nice transition. Let me show you what it looks like if you don't do that. I did not do that on this scarf that I was working on, and you can see that one gray stitch is actually in line with my row of teal. So to avoid that, just complete your final pull through your final stitch with your new color and you'll be good to go with a nice solid straight transition. I hope you enjoyed that tiny Tunisian tip. It is always my goal to help you grow confidently in your craft. I would love it if you would check out the description for other related links, including the link to my tiny Tunisian tip playlist so you can check them all out. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. That way YouTube will notify you when I post more tips. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy Tunisian crocheting!